All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 11 hydroxy compounds and ethers, preparation of glycol and reaction of glycol and uses of glycol. First one is a preparation of glycol. Preparation of glycol. Glycol is prepared from ethylene. Hydroxylation of ethylene using cold alkaline potassium permanganate gives the ethylene glycol or glycol. Ethylene is a CH2 double bond CH. This is a ethylene. In water in the presence of cold alkaline potassium permanganate. Hydroxylation takes place, ethylene glycol is formed, CH2 CH2OH. This is a glycol or ethylene glycol. Next one is a chemical reaction of glycols. First reaction, glycol react with metal sodium to form a monosodium glycolate and disodium glycolate. First reaction, glycol react with sodium to form a monosodium glycolate and disodium glycolate. Reaction of glycol. First one, glycol react with metallic sodium to form a monosodium glycolate and disodium glycolate. Next one, second one is a the hydroxyl group can be converted into a halide group by the treating of glycol with halic acid. When glycol is react with halic acid, hydroxyl group is replaced by halide group. Example, CH2OH. CH2OH. This is a ethylene glycol react with one of the halic acid, hydrochloric acid, to form a dichloroethane. That means 2 hydroxy group is replaced by 2 halide group. Another example, CH2OH. CH2OH is a ethylene glycol react with HBr, hydrobromic acid, to form a, this is a ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is react with phosphorus bar iodine or hydroiodic acid. First step, CH2I is formed. This is a 1,2 diiodoethane. This on further elimination of iodine to form a ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2. This is a ethylene. When ethylene glycol is react with phosphorus bar iodine or hydroiodic acid, first step is 1,2 diiodoethane is formed. This molecule eliminate with iodine to form a ethylene. Fourth one, this is a ethylene glycol or glycol react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid. HNO3 is a nitric acid to form a 1,2 dinitroethylene, CH2ONO2 CH2ONO2. This is the 1,2 dinitroethylene. Preparation of glycol. Hydroxylation of ethylene using cold alkaline potassium permanganate gives the glycol. Next one is a reaction of glycol. Glycol react with metallic sodium to form a monosodium glycolate and disodium glycolate. Second one is a ethylene glycol react with halic acid. 2 hydroxyl group is replaced by halide group. One of the example, ethylene glycol with hydrochloric acid to form a 1,2 dichloroethane. Another example, ethylene glycol plus hydrobromic acid to give a 1,2 dibromethane. Ethylene glycol react with phosphorus bar iodine or hydroiodicolum. First step 1,2 diiodoethane is formed. This molecule eliminates the iodine molecule to form a ethylene. Nitration of ethylene glycol or nitration of glycol. Glycol react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid to form a 1,2 dinitroethylene. Elimination of water from molecule is called as a dehydration reaction. Dehydration reaction of glycol. First one, ethylene glycol, CH2OH, CH2OH. Ethylene glycol is react with 773 Kelvin temperature to form a epoxide. This is a epoxide. One water molecule is eliminated from glycol. Second dehydration reaction, when ethylene glycol is reacted with dilute sulfuric acid or anhydrous zinc chloride to form a acetaldehyde. In this reaction, vinyl alcohol is a intermediate. CH2OH. CH2OH. This is a ethylene glycol react with dilute sulfuric acid or anhydrous zinc chloride. To form a first step is a vinyl alcohol formation. This vinyl alcohol tautomers into acetaldehyde, CH3CHOCA acetaldehyde. When glycol is reacted with dilute sulfuric acid or anhydrous zinc chloride, first step is a vinyl alcohol is formed. This vinyl alcohol tautomers into a acetaldehyde. When ethylene glycol is reacted with dilute sulfuric acid or anhydrous zinc chloride to form a vinyl alcohol, this vinyl alcohol tautomers into a acetaldehyde. Another third one example, 2 molecule of ethylene glycol react with concentrated sulfuric acid. 2 water molecule is eliminated from glycol. Minus 2H2O. Dioxane is formed. This is a dioxane. When ethylene glycol is react with nitric acid or alkaline potassium permanganate, following reaction and many product is formed. First step, this is a ethylene glycol, CH2OH, CH2OH. This is a ethylene glycol. This is oxidized into a glycolic aldehyde, CHO, CH2OH. This is a glycolic aldehyde. This glycolic aldehyde oxidized into a glycolic acid. This is a glycolic acid. This glycolic acid oxidized into a glyoxalic acid. This glyoxalic acid oxidized into a oxalic acid. And glycolic aldehyde oxidized into a glyoxal, CHO, CHO. This glyoxal oxidized into a oxalic acid. This is a oxidation reaction of glycol. Glycol is react with oxidation with periodic acid, CH2OH, CH2OH. This is a ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol oxidized with periodic acid, HiO4. First step is a cyclic periodate ester formation. This is a intermediate, CH2O, CH2O, IOH. This decomposed into a formaldehyde. Quick revision ஒன்று பார்த்துடலாம். Preparation of glycol. Glycol is prepared from ethylene. Hydroxylation of ethylene using cold alkaline potassium permanganate gives ethylene glycol or glycol. Next one is a reaction of glycol. Glycol react with metallic sodium to form a monosodium glycolate and disodium glycolate. Next reaction, ethylene glycol is react with alic acid, that means hydrochloric acid. 2-hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine. This is a 1,2 dichloroethane. Another one example, ethylene glycol is react with hydrobromic acid. 2-hydroxy group is replaced by 2-bromine group. Third one, ethylene glycol react with phosphorus bar iodine or hydroiodic acid. First step is a 1,2 diiodoethane is formation. This molecule decomposed into a ethylene. Fourth one, ethylene glycol react with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a 1,2 dinitroethylene. Next, dehydration reaction of ethylene glycol. When ethylene glycol is heated 773 Kelvin, water molecule is eliminated and epoxide formation is takes place. Second one, when ethylene glycol is react with dilute sulfuric acid or anhydrous zinc chloride, first step vinyl alcohol formation is takes place. This vinyl alcohol tautomers into a acetaldehyde. Third one, when 2 molecule of ethylene glycol react with concentrated sulfuric acid, 2 water molecule is eliminated and 1,4 dioxane formation takes place. Next one is a uses of ethylene glycol or glycol. Ethylene glycol is used as an antifreeze in automobile radiator. Ethylene glycol dinitrate is used as an explosive with TNG, trinitroglycerin. Uses of ethylene glycol is two. One is a antifreeze in automobile radiator. Next one is a glycol dinitrate is used an explosive with TNG. Thank you for watching this video.